Let's see how to download PDF in iPad from WhatsApp. In the first step, open WhatsApp and find the chat containing the PDF. After that, tap the PDF file to open its preview. Next, press the share button. In the next step, pick Save to Files from the sharing menu. Now select a location in iCloud Drive or on my iPad. After that, tap Save to keep the PDF. In the next step, launch the Files app on your iPad. Later, go to the folder where the PDF was stored. Now tap the file to view it. In the next step, open the PDF inside the Files app. Then press the Share button to see additional choices. Then choose an app like Books or Adobe Reader for a better experience. In the next step, shift the PDF to a designated folder for convenience. Next, rename the document if needed for clarity. Next, apply tags to sort it for quick retrieval. You are good to go.